What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm just going to talk about some other ways you could research. So just use other online shopping platforms like Etsy. So it really matters what niche you're in, but you just go, and a lot of these give you the ability to look at sold items, and you can find some good ideas on there. So in Etsy, there's some really good wedding ideas. This is where you're going to get a little bit more inventive and find different products. I really suggest you check out my video on how to use Pinterest, because that's one of the good hidden gems in my opinion. But I found ideas by looking through Etsy, also through eBay. You can also go on, I have found every once in a while a good Groupon, like around holidays. If you want to find seasonal products, if you go on Groupon, you'll find some seasonal stuff. Yeah, just try other ones. And then also, this is huge, we'll include a video on it, but if you really want to find seasonal products or just other products, go into physical stores, okay? So perhaps go to the dollar store. And I've done this because literally everything at the dollar store is less than $1. So it's perfect private label. Like, could you take anything from the dollar store and potentially add value to that? Like, I saw doormats there. Yeah, I see doormats selling for 15 to 20 bucks on Amazon. Okay, and then I started playing around with all this other stuff, and there's lots of things there that you can add value to. So you got to get creative. Just go into stores and just start thinking, like, what does this cost? How could I add value? Look it up, the price on Amazon. And yeah, so those are some of the tricks that I've done. I actually found a crazy amount of seasonal products by going to Michael's, other crafts places during the holiday seasons. And then also ask the managers, like, what are the best selling items in the store? What are people coming in and asking for? That's going to be how you're going to find those trends. Get ahead of, just like that. What are people looking for? And then go to different stores too, because every store is going to have people looking for different things. But hope this is helpful. Don't be afraid to go out there and ask.